Hello everybody, this is Dr. Jones. I wanted to make you a quick video just to explain what your candidate info page should be looking like when you go to your library template or your library portfolio. You will see underneath resume where you're going to fill in your resume and all of the information that is subscribed for that page that Mrs. Golden would like to see. And under candidate info, you will actually click candidate info and you're actually going to design your own page. You should have all the tools that you need to do that. Let me give you a quick look at what information you're going to put on that page and how it might look. Again, you can design with regard to how you would like that to look. What is important is that you have the essential information on that page. So to look at this page under candidate info, you would go ahead and put in a professional introduction. I see most people do this in 2 paragraphs. They talk about themselves more professionally. In the second paragraph, they talk about themselves more personally. You are always also going to include a picture of yourself, preferably a professional photo. You're going to include professional and personal goals. Usually this is listing 2, 3, 4 goals that you want to accomplish professionally and personally. And then you will come down to the bottom and you're going to list kind of where you see yourself in the next few years, 2, 5, 10 years later. So this information, you can decide how you want it to be, but again, on this page under candidate info, you're going to have an introduction, a listing of your personal and professional goals, a picture of yourself, and then kind of where you see yourself in maybe 2, 5 to 10 years out, however much information you would like to put out there. And again, you can design that your own page and decide what you want it to look like as long as it has the essential information on it. I hope that is helpful to you. Have a great day.